Get the net. He's big.
Get the net, Jimmy.
James, get the net. He's big.
Where's it at?
Right here. Right here. Cat. Fat cat. So I don't really need the net now.
Just make sure he don't get caught up in the net,
You don't
man.
need the net because you're not over the water now.
Yeah, I just need it so he don't. All right. Catfish gloves. Assist me, please. All right, can you hold this pole up? James, I'm gonna need a third person with you. Stay with me. I need you to hold the pole. He's recording. I need to get this motherfucker out of him. Where's the hemo? Yeah. Hold the pole. Go back to record. There you go, cat. Aye. Fuck it.
Oh yeah, it'll bite you. Remember, you gotta hold behind those and flatten the top one out.
Mm-hmm. He's got me, dude.
Attacked by the killer catfish.
Now open your mouth, dog.
He's not cooperating, bro.